Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this pink nude lip gloss shade. If you want to see how I got the shade, keep watching. Here I have my Versagel. There's no oil in the Versagel, just pure Versagel. And here I'm adding my white pigment from TKB Trading, and this is my carmine dye lip liquid from TKB Trading. I'm just adding a little bit in the white and I'm mixing it up. As you can see, I'm getting a pink color. So I added more red pigment because the pink was too light. And I'm mixing it. Here is my chocolate lip liquid from TKB Trading as well. And I added just a little bit. Honestly, you can mix this anyhow you want it to create your shade. Here I'm adding coconut oil. You can add any oil you want. I added it just to make it runny so I can pour it into the lip gloss base. I'm using the apple smack flavoring oil from Get Suckered. They have the best flavoring oil, you guys. Make sure you check them out on Instagram, and also use code SPOTB10 for 10% off your order. Yummy. So this is the consistency I like to go for. It's not too thin and it's not too thick. It's just in the middle. That's a perfect consistency. Well, for me. Alright guys, so I'm going to do a swatch of the lip gloss. I have it right here. I'm going to try it on for you guys to see what it looks like. Like I said, I'm not selling this lip gloss. I just made it for the video for you guys. So yeah. As you can see, it's very pigmented. I really love the color. So this is what it looks like. I'm really in love with the color and everything. I know it might be too light for me, so it's just for the video. So yeah, so if you want to learn more on how to make lip glosses, on how to make pigmented, nude, like all sorts of colors, mix colors together to get certain colors, I have a course that you can purchase on my website. I'm going to leave it in the description. In this course, I explained how to make nude lip glosses, how to get certain colors, like the difference between pigments and all of the pigments that we have. Okay, so if you want to learn more on how to make lip gloss, how to make pigmented lip glosses, make sure you get my course. Trust me, you won't regret taking the course. So yeah, I'm going to leave it in the description box in case you want to get it. It's just $60. It's a PDF file. And also I'm going to put you in a group chat where you get to ask me questions. If you're confused about anything, I answer your questions in that group chat. There are also people there who like share ideas and everything, so you definitely won't regret getting the course. So yeah, I'm going to leave it in the description. Make sure you check it out, and thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting me and my business. I really love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell and everything. Also comment any video that you want me to make. Honestly, I'm running out of ideas, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you have any video ideas for me or anything. I'm really trying to be consistent with YouTube, and we'll see how that goes. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.